Hello, my name is Srirama, and today we will look at some examples to interact with R. In the last video, we saw 4 possible ways to interact with R. A simple R expression, passing gamma variables, and reading an R script. The first example, passing a simple R expression. This is a simple example where you have just the global block. To this global block, we attach R skills. This connects our model to R. After connecting, we start the R engine with start R. And this is the R evaluation function we saw in the last video. And inside it is a R expression that is asking for 3 uniformly distributed random numbers. We run the model and we get our 3 numbers, as you see in the console. Just remember, you can add skills to any species. Now this is our second example where we want to pass a gamma variable to R. It is the same model as before, but now we will pass a gamma variable to R. Again, the same procedure. Attach R skills and then use start R. Here we have a gamma variable called number with a value 5. We want to send this variable to R. We put this inside to R data. This is the same number as we have in the line above. So now we have a valid R expression inside R evaluation. Let's run the model and we get 5 random numbers. This is our third example where we want to pass a whole gamma species to R. In order to pass a species, let's first create a species called people. We give 2 attributes, age and height. We say age is a random number between 10 and 80 and height is between 150 and 180 centimeters. We then go on to create 5 people agents. We start R as before and then we have an R evaluation. We define a variable inside R called people data frame. We use the function to R data frame to pass our gamma species. We assign this gamma species to people data frame in R. We can now use the mean function in base R and apply it to the age attribute. Using the $sign, we can access a column and then calculate its mean. We run the model and we get age of 5 people and its mean. Now let's assign the result of our computation back to a gamma variable. Let's call this variable population mean that captures the mean we just calculated. We know our evaluation returns a list, so we use the index 0 to get our result. To verify that we indeed received a float value, we will use the type of function on our variable and finally write the result on the console. We have here age of 5 people, their mean as a list, the extracted result as a float and its value 48.2. This is our final example where we want to read an R script. This is a simple R script on the right. It has 3 lines of code, and if you know R, the result of each line would be 2, 5 and 15 respectively. On the left is a gamma model which again shows use of R skill, and immediately we see R script being read as a text file. We again use start R to invoke the R engine. The importance of this example is use of loop to read the script. We loop through each line of the R script and assign results of each line to the output variable. What you see below is very easy to follow if you have watched the previous examples. I leave you with this example to learn for yourself. Thank you for watching the video and see you next time.